Hey Cricketers! Today we're going to be making some more adorable Dollar Tree fall home decor. It's one of the many fall Dollar Tree projects that I made this month when decorating my house. I found this pie pan sign in the craft section at my Dollar Tree. It's actually supposed to be a metal bottle cap, but I saw it and thought pie pan. What do you think it looks like, a bottle cap or a pie pan? Before we get started designing this project, I want to announce the winner from my last giveaway. Last week I shared a video about how to etch metal using citrus strip. I announced that I would be giving away one free bottle of citrus strip, and to enter the giveaway, all you had to do was comment on my last video. I wrote down the names of everyone who commented and imported them into a random name wheel. The winner of the citrus strip giveaway is Debbie Hewitt. Congratulations, Debbie. I think these giveaways are so fun and I love helping people, so let's do another one. This week will be a mystery prize. Just like the last one, if you want to be entered into this giveaway, just leave a comment below on this video. Now, let's get back to this Dollar Tree Cricut project. We need to add a cute design to it, and I found the perfect one. So for step one, we're going to download the design and upload it to Cricut Design Space. I found this SVG on Creative Fabrica and thought it would be so perfect for this project. Click the link in my video description if you want to find this design. Then click Download. Select the file in the bottom left-hand corner, double-click, and open the file that says Sweeter Than Pumpkin Pie SVG. Right-click and save the file to your computer. Go back to Cricut Design Space and click Upload, Browse, select your file, and click Open. Then click Upload. Next, select the SVG and click Add to Canvas. For step two, we need to measure our project and then resize our design in Cricut Design Space. Using a ruler, I measured the inside of the circle. It's 5 1/4 inches wide. To help us with our design, I'm going to use a shape. Select Shapes and click the circle. To resize the circle, click the Unlock button at the top and type in your measurements. When I made this, I went a little smaller with my design and sized it at 4.75 inches. However, I thought the design could have been a little bigger, and if I were to remake it, I would recommend making your circle 5 inches. Next, I'm going to change the color of the circle to something lighter. Next, click Upload and click Add to Canvas. It comes in huge, so the first thing I do is zoom out and shrink the design down. I changed it to the same size as my circle, 4.75 inches. But to reiterate, if you resize yours to 5 inches, it should fit better. I'm going to zoom back in so I can see better. I noticed that the leaves in this design look very intricate and I didn't feel like doing that much weeding. I decided to pick a simple leaf from the images in Design Space. One by one, I imported the leaf, shrunk it down, and rotated it about where the other leaf was. Then I deleted the intricate leaf that I didn't want and dragged this easy to weed one in its place. I repeated this step until all the leaves were changed. It was a little time consuming to do, but I think it made weeding the project a lot easier in the end. I made all the leaves orange and made the piece of pie the same color orange. I want my Cricut to cut this out in 2 layers, one black layer and one orange layer. I use the I button to hide everything in my design that's orange. Then I drag and drop over the whole black design and click Weld. Now all the black pieces will stay in one spot. Next, I'm going to do the same thing with the orange pieces. Click the I tool to bring back all the orange pieces. Then click the I button on the black layer to hide it. Drag and drop over all the orange pieces and click Weld. Now you have 2 layers, one black and one orange, and the Cricut machine will cut everything right where it's supposed to. Then I dragged my design over my circle to make sure it fit like I wanted it to. I shrunk the design down even more, which was dumb. I was worried that the design would be too big, but I should have trusted my measurements and just kept everything at 5 inches. For step 3, we will cut our vinyl. I'm using Cricut's orange removable vinyl because it's the only color orange vinyl that I had. I usually use Oracle 651, but I didn't have that in orange. So for my black color, I'm using black Oracle 651 vinyl. Use your cutter tool to cut a 5 by 5 inch piece of vinyl. The next step is to cut on our Cricut machine. Click the eye tool to hide the circle. Click Make It, Continue, and select Vinyl. Insert the mat into your Cricut machine and then click the blinking double arrows to load your mat, then the blinking Cricut button to start the cut. For step 5, we need to weed our project. Using your weeding tool, carefully peel back and pick away at the vinyl you don't want until you're left with the design that you do want. Before sticking the vinyl to our blank, I always clean the surface with rubbing alcohol to remove any dirt or oils. I use a lint-free coffee filter to wipe with. The final step is to transfer the design to our blank using transfer tape. I was using Dollar Tree contact paper as transfer tape. It's not the best, but it works in a pinch. I had just ran out of my good transfer tape and I was waiting for my new one to get delivered. Contact paper is easier to work with if you put the transfer tape over your vinyl, then flip it upside down so the transfer tape is on your mat. Then peel the paper backing away. I started with the orange layer because that was my top layer and carefully placed it over the black so that everything lined up right. Then flip that whole piece upside down and peel the paper backing away. I was having a hard time getting my vinyl off of the paper backing because contact paper kind of sucks as transfer tape. Finally, you want to peel your whole design off the mat and line it up over your blank. Use your scraper tool to smooth the design down flat and then peel off the transfer tape. You can see that my design was a little small for my blank, which is why I said to size up to 5 inches when you make it. I really didn't care that much, so I just left it be. I thought this was a really fun way to turn a $1 piece of metal into an adorable piece of fall decor for my bookshelf. If you liked this video and want to see more cute project ideas like these, click like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. And make sure to leave a comment below if you want to be entered into this week's mystery giveaway.
Thanks for watching. Bye!